What's up, guys? So, been asked a lot about this. You know, my last little video I did about styling my beard, showcased the kuschelbar and the blow dryer from Jeff Chastain. So people have been asking me about it. How is it working? How do I like it? Well, I'm not gonna give my verdict yet. So instead, I'm gonna show y'all again, you know, how it's working on my beard. You know, not just in general, but how it's working on this. So, what I'm gonna do in a video. So, I just got out of the shower, as you can tell. My beard's, you know, real poofy. So, I already co-washed my beard. So, about every time I co-wash my beard, I use Scotch Border. It is the best conditioner out there. It's my old tub. I just finished it. I have another one in the shower. I have one more left, and then I had to reorder. But I just finished that one. So that is one down. So that's my co-wash. So now I'm gonna get out. Like I, you know, already showed in the other video. You know, I use this little brush. So I'm gonna brush it. Now, the oil I'm going to put in, excuse me, Sweet Beast Man from Taylor Beard Company. This is mine and his collaboration. If you don't know about Sweet Beast Man, you don't know about Taylor, go over and check him out. And while you're there, I'm telling you, pick up some of this. This is strawberry lemonade and leather. It is an amazing scent. Use Beast 15 to save yourself 15%. So, with that being said, get some out and rub it in my hands and put it in my beard. Put in my mustache. I just trimmed my mustache this morning. I was going to film it, but I wasn't too sure how it was going to turn out, so I didn't film it. Lids on, bottles up. I'm going to use my comb. Like I did in my last video. Go underneath. And then I'm gonna come back around top. So what I usually do after that is I'll let it sit for 5 minutes. Well, really don't have time for 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it and get that started. Now here's a blow dryer from Jeff Chastain. This is blown. This is a little bitty blow dryer, but it works great on my beard. It's better than the big pink one that I've been using of Amanda's. Now granted, that one is stronger and it does have like 3 settings: high, cool, or hot, cool, medium. You know, this one's only got the 2 and then a cool setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on 1. I'm not gonna use it on the 2nd setting, I'm gonna use it on the 1st setting, so it's gonna get a little loud. I'm gonna stem my beard. So hold on just a second and I'll be right back. Got it blow drying. So, like I always say, I'm gonna take my comb, come right back through it. So, I always put in a butter. I actually got this sent from Scott the other day. And just a few of these. This is Sweet Beast Man butter. I love this scent. Now, Scott's butters have no wax at all. So it's all about the nourishment and keeping the beard soft. I love his butter so far. I have another one of his butters that will be put into my butter challenge. So, got the butter. There's his butter. I mean, it's gone. I mean, you can see all the ooey gooiness. So, I'll put that in. Get it to my mustache. I always put whatever's left over. I just kind of rub it in my hair because most of the time I wear a hat anyways. So, just kind of keeps it sitting a little longer. So, and again, I'm going to use the comb. Just kind of get it all throughout the beard. Kind of get it all evened out. Alright, so did the butter, did the oil first, then did the butter. Now it's time for the blow dryer again. Hold on. So that's over. So I've got the butter in, got my oil in. Well, now it's time. Get this unraveled. Hold on just a second. There we go. It's time for this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's time for the kosher bar. So we can see how small the tines are on it, but it's also small in size. So if you have like a smaller beard, shorter beard, you know, I feel that this is going to be great for your beard. I'm not sure about mine yet, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you how it works. So you can tell, you know, obviously it's on. So I'm going to go ahead and run it through my beard. Now, another thing I've been doing with this is I've been running it through my mustache. Before I start really before I trim my mustache, I would really run it through it because it's just like my mustache is getting everywhere, getting in my mouth. You know, it works perfect on my mustache. I mean, I can't, you know, say enough for working on my mustache. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through my mustache. Just kind of get everything to the sides like I want it, out of my mouth. I haven't really found a mustache wax that I like, so that's why I trimmed it a little bit this morning. Alright, I think I'm about done with that. So again, I'm going to take my comb, just kind of comb through it a little bit. Now since I am going to go see Amanda, we're going to have lunch. I'm using Sweet Beast Man butter or balm, so oh, that scent. I love that scent. Again, if you don't know about Scott, definitely go check him out. Now, his balms are a little hard on the harder side, so they are a firmer hold, but they will hold everything in place. But they go away real easy. I say that. But I want to make sure everything gets in between my fingers. Like I've said before, you know, always get it on your thumbs, because I always go underneath with my thumbs and kind of just push everything forward. And then I just kind of go over it. I make sure I get it in my mustache here lately, kind of hold it down, because it sucks when you go to eat and you get a mouthful of hair. So just rub the excess on my arm again with the comb. Just kind of work that balm through some. Kind of get it all throughout the hairs. This way they'll all kind of lay down. Now, I'm going to show this again like I did last time. And that is our brush. Right before shave. Just, you know, this will grab them hairs, them little loose hairs, all them little hairs, and just pull them down. Pull them down in place. I love that. I mean, you can seriously feel them. Just you know, it pulling on your beard. You know, don't push too hard. Let the brush do the work. I mean, I just let it just glide through, and then I'll grab them and pull them down. So, there it is. There you go. Beard's all nice and pretty. Ready to go meet Amanda for lunch. So guys, everything I used in this video, I will put in the link in the description below. Again, go see Scott over at Tailored. Use Beast15. I'll link my discount code down below also. But guys, this is the kuschelbar again. So I'm probably gonna put up another video or two before I really have my, you know, final thoughts on it, just to really show y'all what it's doing for my beard and how I'm liking it. So guys, that's it. That's all I got. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe, stay bearded, stay tuned, and I'll see y'all later.